Hello my people, I welcome you guys again to another mind-blowing tutorial video. Guys, in this video, I'm going to review to you this website, or can I say this application you can actually use to purchase your AWOV data now for free. With as low as 400, you can actually do 1 gig plus, which you know now, currently now that airtime price now for 1 gig is roughly 600 and something plus. Then for you to do 15 gig, you will do 15 gig at the rate of 3,500, which is valid for 15 days. So I consider this to be the cheaper and best reliable platform for you now to do or to buy your cheapest data. So all you need to do to participate in this awoof is to check my video description. So you use the link on the video description to get registered and start using this website and this app right this moment. It works like magic, guys. But without further ado, guys, let me review this website to you guys so you can actually understand and see what I'm actually talking about here. Let's go there, guys. Okay, my people, is the former application that I'm using to purchase my data. Do you understand? Now, if you should come to this application, before I was doing 1 gig at the rate, sorry, before I was doing 1 gig at the rate of 280 or 260. But of recently, data plan has been increased to the extent that now for me to do 1 gig, I have to spend the total of 650 for 1 gig, valid for 30 days. Then 2 gig is 1,300. Why 10 gig that I normally do before at the rate of 2,700 is now 6,500. Looking at this stuff, you sef go know say the thing don high. Do you understand? Especially when you never monetize your YouTube channel, you just dey upload video and you dey burn data like this. Shake am now. It's not making too sense. So this was what that pushed me to look for a better or a cheaper data purchasing rate. Do you understand? And thank God that I actually came up with this particular app. So let me show you the app that I will be using this time around. So this is the app I will be using. So yes, you can see now, don't worry, I'm definitely going to drop the name or the link to this application on my comment section and on the video description. So check the video description if you will love to participate in this AWOF data. Do you understand? And don't forget, it is valuable or it is valid for all networks in Nigeria. Now, once you come to this website, you click on buying data. Then first thing you need to do is to select the network you are buying. So let's assume you want to buy for MTN. So after selecting MTN, come to this place that says data types. So once you click on data types, do not click on this first one. No try am. If you click on this first one, they will sell the data plan normally with that normal price of 650 and the rest of it. So the one you need to click on this part that says data AWOV. Do you understand? Now look at what you will do here. Once you click on data AWOV, this is what you have. And as you can see here, for you to do 1 gig here, 1 gig here is 350, but it's valid for just a day. Then 1.5 gig is 400, still valid for 1 day. Then 2 gig 750 for 2 days. Now coming down here now, 5 gig for 1,500 for 7 days. See, the truth of the matter is, I think I prefer this, honestly. 5 gig is okay for 7 days, 1,500. I believe that within that 7 days, I'll be able to get another 1.5 to purchase this gig. Now, the one that baffles me most is this 15 gig at the rate of what? 15,000. Sorry, 15 gig at the rate of 3,500. And this data is valid for 30 days. That's completely a month, guys. This is amazing. So, how do you think that I will not forge ahead doing this one? Do you think it's actually possible for me not to do this one? So all you need to do is just to fund your account. And now let me teach you how you can actually fund account using this website. Automatically, if you should create an account with this website, your wallet, you will be given an account number. As you are opening it, automatically you are creating an account number for yourself. Do you understand? So what you need to do is, after you've created this stuff, if you want to fund wallet, click on this part that says fund wallet. Look here, click here that says fund wallet. So once you click, account number will be given to you. Now they will ask you, is it Flucta Wave you want to use or this thing. Once you click Flucta Wave, then you put the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say you want to deposit 200, then you click on process. Then once you click on process, let's see what is going to happen. As you can see, it is loading. Now let's see what is going to happen, guys. Let's see what is going to happen. Yeah, it has bring you to this place. So if you are using your MasterCard or anything, all you need to do is just to put the MasterCard and you're good to go. Start. Automatically you will see the money reflect on your account ASAP with no issues at all. Do you understand? Then that is that about that, guys. So please, I am begging you, I am a good testament of this stuff. It is really working very, very well for me, and I believe it will actually work for you. Do you understand? So hop in now, let's enjoy this offer. Like, the offer is really, really cheap and affordable for all networks. Now let's do that for Airtel. So let's check Airtel. Once you click on Airtel, that's only, can you see Airtel has the AWUV. So once you click on Airtel AWUV, Airtel own is even more crazy. 10 gig 3150. 10 gig is 3150, valid for 30 days. Then 7 gig is 2150, valid for 7 days. 5 gig is 1000. Imagine 5 gig is valid for 2 weeks. That's 14 days. Is this not massive, guys? Now look at Airtel 1 gig. 1 gig is valid for 7 days. Then don't sell to sim owner. Are you seeing it? So this is just how we can actually maneuver this hardship of data stuff now that is very, very expensive. Please let me know in the comment section if this video is very, very helpful, and please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification sign, because I'm bringing update back to back on this channel. Thank you so much, and catch you guys on my next tutorial video. Bye for now.